Hi guys. In this video I will show you the best soldering tools for electronics or DIY hobbyists that you can find or buy in Amazon. Okay, the products that I want to show you here is the bestseller or recommended by Amazon. This tool is suitable for beginner or professional. You can find or just see the complete product specification on given link in description below. Number 1. And Best Soldering Iron Kit Electronics. Soldering iron at support station. It has standard dual spring soldering iron holder with sponge is a very useful tool when soldering iron work. It is a secured base and it is more safer than any other thing soldering stand. The maximum extent to avoid the user was burned and damaged. Soldering iron unique features. Superior professional soldering iron has 5 multiple tips replacement. Heat and impact resistant design of screw thread, so the iron head is not easy to drop. Adjustable temperature from 200 to 450 degrees Celsius. Heat up fast and work great. Solder sucker desoldering pump. Rugged metal construction. The desoldering pump is high-pressure vacuum tube with aluminum body frame, which allows easy one-handed use. Best for removing solder from PCB through hole soldered joints. Widely used and carried portable. Soldering iron tools widely used for welding, circuit board, appliance repair, home DIY hobbyists. You can take it anywhere and you will be able to find the tools you need in that carry bag. 14-in-1 soldering kit. Soldering iron kit comes with soldering iron, desoldering pump, 5 multiple soldering tips, tin wire tube, soldering iron stand, tweezers, wire stripper cutter, and 2 electronic wire. Warm tips. Please be really careful when you are using the tools in avoidance of pricks or other injuries. You'd better keep it somewhere kids can't reach. The iron heats up fast, so please select a suitable temperature. Working for long hours in high temperature may shorten its life. Do not allow the soldering iron to idle at operating temperatures for extended periods. This could burn the soldering iron and even other things. The 5 tips are General 900M series, and you can buy replacement on Amazon. Number 2. C160WESD Soldering Iron Kit. This C1K601 soldering iron kit is a smart tool for PCB projects, solder loose wires, and circuits of small gauge, junction box, LED lights of various kinds and intricate pieces of computers, replace TV capacitors or accessories, and work on small parts for RC cars, microdrones, or any other trinkets. Upgraded heat dissipation material design. The upgraded heat insulation material and steel pipe design will protect the iron from being melted due to long time overheat. The solder tip with ventilation holes can help heat dissipation. The silicone handle cover brings great comfort. ESD Safe Soldering Iron. ESD safety design intends to protect circuit boards from statics, making home repairs and DIY wire soldering safe and relieved. Temperature control module with on-off switch. The handheld module features on-off switch, temperature adjusting knob and LED indicator. With this convenient module, you can handle different soldering work easily. The temperature range is 200 to 480 degrees Celsius or 392 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit. Soldering iron holder and 6 different soldering tips. Standard and practical soldering iron holder with cleaning sponge for pencil-style soldering irons. It has 5.9-inch long and 2.9-inch wide with 3.2-inch high. And it also has 6 different types of soldering tips can meet various soldering needs. Number 3. Toshiba Digital Display Soldering Iron. Upgrade design and heats up fast. This 75-watt soldering iron heats up to standby mode in just 8 seconds. The voltage range is 100 to 240 volts. It is a Trinity digital display to show precision temperature. You can press the up or down buttons to set the desired value, which is a thermostat range of 180 to 450 degrees Celsius. Superior soldering tips. The tips have a built-in heating element, which provides fast thermal recovery and a long tip life. The plug heater is designed to switch between 2 tips frequently. Pure silicone materials and portable design. The soldering iron hand line is made of pure silicone and high-temperature material, and internal wires through bolt processing. It is lightweight and has a handle design, which enables prolonged use without fatigue. 7-in-1 full kit. The Toshiba Digital Soldering Station Kit comes with a portable power unit, soldering iron, composite tips, solder sucker, solder wire, anti-static tweezer, and a stand cleaning sponge. It is great for electronics, computer equipment, watch repair, and home DIY or other craft projects. For attention. Please do not touch the soldering tip metal part when the power is turned on. Please turn off the power when resting between usage or finished soldering. Otherwise, the high temperature may cause burns or fires. Number 4. UI Chan New Upgraded Original TS100 Fast Heating. This portable soldering iron heats up in seconds. The temperature is displayed on old screen, which can be accurately and easily adjusted from 212 to 752 degrees Fahrenheit or 100 to 400 degrees Celsius. Smart and safe. It has dual temperature sensors and accelerated sensors with STM32 chip. And it also has sleep mode and automatic overheating warning. External power supply. DC 5525 power port is compatible with DC 12 to 24 VAC adapter or power bank. It is convenient for both home repairing and field repairing. Reprogrammable. Connecting to the computer, you can reset your own temperature rising curves and custom functions. Convenient. Very portable for home use or field use, especially for repairing FPV multi-rotor. Number 5. Hobby Creek Helping Hands. The third-hand panel workstation has been redesigned to bring the benefit of our flexible third-hand kit to the Panavi's line of work-holding devices. The gold anodized base has integrated mounting holes to be seamlessly attached between any Panavi's work-holding device and a tray-based mount to offer the ultimate workstation. The kit comes standard with 4 arms, each with a large swivel clip wrapped in ultra-high heat-resistant silicon. Additional arms can be purchased and easily added to hold up to 12 arms total. The third-hand panel workstation comes fully assembled so you can focus your efforts on the project and not your tools. 4 flexible arms each with a large swiveling alligator clip. 1 precision-cut and beautifully gold anodized base. 4 silicon clip tips for the ultimate heat resistance. 4 removable feet for a stable stand-alone. The operation integrates perfectly with Panavi's devices and base mounts. This product is compatible with all Panavi's work-holding devices with a 3-hole 4-point. This product also integrates perfectly with a Panavi's tray-based mount, model 312. Number 6. Quad-Ams Workbench. The helping hands that you can configure exactly like you want. Powerful magnets in the base of each arm allow you to place them anywhere you want. You can configure the Quad-Ams Helping Hands Workbench exactly like you want. Each arm has a strong rare earth magnet in its base that holds it firmly to the solid steel workbench but can be moved around as needed. Move the arms anywhere you want on the workbench and they stay put. Versatile, use the arms on any ferrous metal surface. Need to set your helping hands away from your workbench? No problem. The magnetic base on each arm will attach to any steel surface. Perfect for working on machinery or electronics in the field or even on your car. Designed and built for professionals and serious hobbyists. Perfect for working on electronics, jewelry crafting, or anytime you need a helping hand. The large 6-inch and 9-inch solid steel base is supported by 4 rubber bumpers that won't slide around. Each of the all-metal flexible arms features a heavy-duty stainless steel clamp that can hold even your largest projects. Built to last a lifetime. The Quad-Ams Workbench is made from thick powder-coated steel weighing in at over 4 pounds. The flexible all-metal arms come in 2 lengths, 16-inch and 8-inch, with heavy-duty stainless steel alligator clamps. Each clamp can be rotated 360 degrees then locked into place with an Earl thumb nut. Built tough from quality materials. Created and built for the professional and serious hobbyist. Finally, a helping hands third-hand tool that is truly helpful. Okay guys, there are 5 tools that you must have if you are DIYers or electronic hobbyist. And, if you want to buy one of the tools, just click on link given below on descriptions, discounts are waiting for you. Yups, that's all I have in this review. Make sure if you like this video just click the thumbs icon. And, if your friends really need to see this, make sure you share this video to them. I will appreciate if you can subscribe my channel, it will make this channel more bigger and bigger. Thanks for watching.